The Bell 505 Jet Ranger X JRX is an American-Canadian light helicopter developed by Bell Helicopter and produced by Bell Textron Canada.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast? But you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.